A $400 permit for food truck vendors. Well, that's an ordinance the Lafayette City and Parish Councils will vote on tonight. Now, that's twice the amount they say they already pay. News 10's Renee Allen spoke with a few vendors about the new proposal.
If the council votes yes, that's $400 that a food truck vendor would have to pay if they want to operate lawfully within Lafayette Parish. Now, there are requirements that comes with this permit, such as no outdoor seating or parking on vacant lots. You would have to have valid permits from the State Department of Health and Hospitals for both the commissary and for the mobile food establishment. There are a lot of food truck vendors, but not all operate legally. Dustin Craven owns a Craven Boudin, a lawfully permitted pop-up food truck. Craven's appreciates the regulatory aspect of the permit, but $400, he says, is a bit much.
Talking about gas prices at an all-time high, and folks are just trying to make it. Inflation is through the roof.
Craven says vendors are small business owners trying to make it, not to mention they have to have a commissary, a place where they can go and empty grease traps and fill up water.
There's a fee there. Nobody gives you a commissary space for free. You have a fee associated with all of your health permitting. You have fees associated with every city and every municipality that you go into.
Another food truck vendor who wants to remain anonymous says he has no problem with a $400 permit. His concern is having to pay also to operate for Mardi Gras.
Is that going to include Mardi Gras? Because you got to pay another $200 for Mardi Gras.
The permit requires that you have a valid vehicle registration. Again, this is a permit renewal for every year in the month of July. Renee Allen, KLFY News 10.